Hello everyone, this is the UAs and JacobsPips. Right now in this video, I want to share with you about the wolf wave to divergence using RSI. Right now, I want to share with you about how to use wolf wave to divergence using an bullish and bearish market. But without further ado in this video, I would like to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell icon, and also place a word of comment below because your word is like a bonus outcome that gives us access to natural videos to get in. I'll also put this in mind that I will give you three key powerful keys that will give you one, which is on the bullish and bearish market. Now, let's just go. Key number one is that the wolf wave is counts between five currents. We have the wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, and also the wave 4. Our basic concern on this part is definitely the wave 5. Right now, because the wave 5 gives us the entry to know the direction and the movement of proposition to the market chart. Right now, on the wave 5, that gives us the direction and the proposition to the market chart, also contains that. And also, the wolf wave is not a symmetry triangle. Rather, the wolf wave is an ascending and descending triangle. Most traders thought that the wolf wave is a symmetric triangle, but it's not. But right now, it's an ascending and descending triangle in the sense that we have a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, which is giving us the utterance on a bullish wave, wolf wave patterns. Now, if you draw your line and touches between these two lines, it looks like a flat pattern, but it's not, because we have a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, and which is on a bullish market chart that contains it, that gave us the archer's point, and the other trend line is just from the direction of the wave 1. It shows the take profit that we're going to take on every chart that we produce on this patterns. But right now, before I further ado in this video, let me just share two keys. The two keys is that the RSI is the divergence occurs when market forms a new high and a new low in a given price market chart. And also, divergence occurs when the RSI forms a new low and a new high, meaning it works oppositely in the market chart. When the market forms a new high, the RSI forms a new low. When the market forms a new low, the RSI forms a new high, which is greater divergence on the form. So now let's just dive right into the chart and let me just show you some quickly great examples of how to work step by step basis. But right now we're now in the real USD. As you can see in the 4-hour chart below. Now you see now make my main charts on this place, and we have already imputed our RSI on the chart. We have our wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and also wave 5. Now on this market, you see that it's already a trend market, but a wolf pattern occurs that pushes this market, which is the wave 1, that pushes this market downwards. And if you looked at our RSI moves in horizontally between the two primary zones line, and our RSI definitely is moving in and out of the two between two lines and making it a continuation of a downtrend market. Now, on this part below, you see the wave 4, and also wave 4 forms a lower high on the RSI, and if you see, and forms a pattern of a wolf wave, meaning there was a continuation of this part. And you can see our trend line, then you draw a trend line for your take profit of this part. So now let's just take some examples and let me just show you something before this. Now, mind you that we have here our wave 1, wave 1, wave 2. Now, on this candlestick, it touches between the two trend lines on the bottom point. Now, our wave 5 is more higher than the wave 3, and also on this part that the market is dropping down. It was a strong downtrend market on this part, on the wave 5, which our wave 5 is particularly on the RSI, giving us a forms a lower, and in the main chart is being forms a higher. Then you just draw the trend line to take profit on this part. Now, let me just take some examples and let me just share with you. Now, you can see on this chart now we have our wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and also our wave 5. Now, our wave, you've noticed now of the short market on this part that the market was on an uptrend market and forms a wave 1, wave and forms a wave 1 on this part, and also that gave us another wave 5. Now our wave 1 is lower than our wave 5 on this part. Now if you look at our RSI crossing, in between our wave 1, our RSI is being forced on the oversupported region on this part, which is touches our 70 below. Now bidding market is being overbought on this part. Now and it is our 70 below, and on our wave 5 is lower, and you see you draw your trend line, and this is a totally confirmation of a reversal on a bullish market. Now let's just take some examples, and I want you to viewers to just pause the video and explain to me what patterns this forms here, and just take your time and just few minutes so that can give us the access to know. Now are you done? Let's just do. We have our wave 1, wave 2, and also our wave 3, and our wave 4, and also our wave 5. Now on this part, now we have a confirmation of our wave 5, definitely, which is both wave patterns that occurs here. But if you look at basically our RSI touches our 70 now and forms between the wave 3, and if you see that it touches between the wave 3 and our RSI, that gave us our 70, that gives us the axis of trend market, that the market is moving upwards now. But there was a pull down of a rush down, that means then you just take your trend line to connect to your wave 5, from your wave 3 to your wave 5. That means it's a continuation of like a really totally downtrend market. That means buyers are now out of the market, for sellers take place positions on this market chart. The market is one pushing and pulling down on the side. So let me just take some examples on the spot, and let me just show you some things in pieces. Now just keep this in mind. I want you just to explain this. Just pause the video. If you're done, let me just explain my own. We have a wave 1, a wave 2, and also a wave 3, and also a wave 4. Now, and also a wave 5 on this part. Now, this is a confirmation of a wolf with pattern that occurs here. Just take your trend line, and you see our trend line touches will break through on this pattern, and now but it didn't break through above the wave 5. And if you look at our RSI horizontally, is moving forward to show a confirmation of a downtrend, reversal of an uptrend market. That means market will push down on this part of this part. So definitely that occurs, that and this works oppositely direction, like I said earlier. So that is just all. And also there is a confirmation of it that market is being on wave 5. So like now as you see here, but also keep this in mind. Now before I further go on this video, out of this video now, I want you to explain to me, my viewers, about this, and also place the answer below in the comments below so that I can be able to know what videos will occur here. Now one is that how many patterns that occurs here, how many wolf wave that occurs on this chart. Just tell me on the comments below, and tell me the directions and the propositions of the market using the RSI, whether it's a continuation of an uptrend or a confirmed bullish or bearish reversal with the RSI. Now just keep this in mind, and also thanks for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Just drop the comments below. Thank you.